Hi guys, what's up? So today I am going to be doing the first one of those Donner challenges where after I have created a timer, then I will do a certain type of challenge using that timer that I have made. So guys, this challenge is going to be a workout challenge where for the first 2 minutes straight I will be doing plank. And then when the timer hits 1 minute, I will rest for 15 seconds. And then when the timer gets to 45 seconds, I will stand back on my knees and get back on my elbows and stay in that position until the timer gets to 0. During this process, if I fall down on my stomach by accident, then that will be a fail. Okay guys, now what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna place my elbows right on the floor and I'm gonna do it like this with the timer. So let's get this done with. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, now 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! 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 I did it! And I done it! Yes! Alright guys, so that was some intense working out challenge. So guys, I will continue doing these challenge videos, those Donner challenges, like whenever I put out a timer, and I might use some of my older timers to do these challenges. So guys, I will see you in another video.